1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 cup cream cheese, 1/2 cup mascarpone cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, and a mixture of 1 tablespoon water, 1/2 teaspoon oil, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. In a bowl with cream cheese, add the sugar and cream on medium-high until light and smooth. Then add the mascarpone cheese, sour cream, and vanilla extract to the cream cheese mixture and continue beating until combined. Add the egg and mix. Now add the mixture of water, oil, and baking powder and beat again. Sift the flour directly into the batter and give it a final blend. For the crust, we will need around 8 crushed Original graham crackers, 5 tablespoons melted butter, and 4 tablespoons sugar. Add in the melted butter and sugar to the graham crackers and mix it well. You can also use your hands to combine them evenly. To assemble the cheesecake, preferably use a spring-form pan and line it with parchment paper. Add the graham cracker mixture and pat it down until flat. Then add the cheesecake batter on top. Wrap the bottom of the cheesecake pan in a sheet of tin foil and place it in a baking pan large enough to fit it in. Bake the cheesecake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 45 minutes. After the cheesecake is cooled at room temperature, set it in the fridge for 4 hours to overnight. You can top your cheesecake as per your preference. Enjoy the classic cheesecake.